Hello friends, welcome to Bankers platform. So friends, today we have come with a new video, and friends, this video is regarding JIB and bank promotion exam. So we will be discussing, friends, the topic that is priority sector lending. And in this session, we will discuss most expected questions for JIB and bank promotion exam. So friends, please like this video and share this video with your friends who are preparing for JIB exam and bank promotion exam, and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. So let's start, friends. So our first is target and sub-target under priority sector. So friends, you all would be knowing that priority sector lending is a very important topic for JIB and bank promotion exam. And you also know that banks and government and banks, they are very much focused on priority sector lending because it is very important for the growth and development of our country. So let's see what are the targets. So many time questions are asked from here that what is the target for the domestic commercial banks and foreign banks with 20 and above branches for priority sector lending. Okay, so and there is a also there is like for agri there is a some different percentage, and for micro weaker section. Okay, so this is the question here you have to tell for weaker section. तो फ्रेंड्स आपको बताना है कि जो वीकर सेक्शन है उसमें जो डोमेस्टिक कमर्शियल बैंक्स और फॉरेन बैंक्स हैं उनका कितना परसेंट टारगेट है प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लैंडिंग का फॉर वीकर सेक्शन एंड फॉर रीजनल रूरल बैंक्स. दिस इज ऑल्सो फॉर वीकर सेक्शन. और स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक्स जो हैं उनके लिए जो वीकर सेक्शन का टारगेट है दैट इज 12%. सो यू हैव टू टेल व्हाट इज द टारगेट फॉर डोमेस्टिक कमर्शियल बैंक्स एंड रीजनल रूरल बैंक्स. तो इन दो का फ्रेंड्स आपको बताना है. एंड द थर्ड क्वेश्चन विल बी माइक्रो. ओके, सो फॉर दिस micro, what is the micro enterprises, what is the target for small finance banks. Okay, so जो domestic commercial banks and foreign banks हैं उनका जो target है that is 7.5%, and for RRBs that is 7.5%. but यहाँ पे आपको बताना है what is small finance bank target. Okay, that is percentage. Okay, so here you can see total priority sector जो है friends, डोमेस्टिक कमर्शियल बैंक्स और फॉरेन बैंक्स को जो करना है दैट इज 40% ऑफ ANBC और CEOBE विच एवर इज हायर. और जो फॉरेन बैंक्स है जिनकी ब्रांचेस 20 से कम है, ओके 20 से कम ब्रांचेस है, देन दे हैव टू गो फॉर 40% ऑफ ANBC. बट उसमें उन्हें जो that they have provided that is up to 32% they can do export. Okay, and not less than 8% other priority sector. और RRBs के लिए friends it is 75%. Okay, and for small finance bank also it is 75% of ANBC or CEOBE whichever is higher. Okay, so from for regional rural banks जो है friends यहाँ पे however lending to medium enterprise social infra renewable energy shall be reckoned up to 15% only. Okay, यहाँ पे. And friends, for urban cooperative banks they are also having this priority sector guideline, so they also have to do 75%. इन्हें भी friends जो है 75% के लिए priority sector target complete करना है, but in a phase manner. So what is that phase manner, that also you have to tell. Okay, so let's see what is the right answer for this question. So this is the right answer, friends. Correct answer is for weaker section 12%. 12% is the target for commercial banks and foreign banks, and for small finance bank it is 12%, and for RRB it is 15%. And another question was for micro enterprises. For micro enterprises 7.5% is for all, whether it is commercial banks, foreign banks, RRBs and small finance bank. Okay, and this we discussed for urban cooperative banks. So friends, जो भी urban cooperative banks होंगे they have to go for 75% target in a phase manner. So by 31st March 21 they have to achieve 45%, 31st March 22 they have to achieve 50%, and 31st March 2023 they have to achieve 60%, and 31st March 2024 they have to achieve 75%. Okay, for them micro is 7.5 and weaker is 12%. Okay, so this is first question. So friends, in this session, we will be discussing all the important topics from where questions can be framed. And it is very most expected question. And if you see in JIIB exam, you can get 5 to 6 marks if you watch this video, because from priority sector in JIIB PPB, Principle and Practices of Banking, questions are asked. And in bank promotion exam, you can get 10 marks from this topic. Okay, let's see next. So this is for your information only, friends. So target and sub-target. So priority sector 40% and agriculture is 18% and weaker section is 12%, RRB 15%. Okay, so in this also they have done phase wise, phase manner. So 2021, agri should be 8% and weaker should be 10%. And 21-22. This is for small and margin farmer, because in agriculture sector, small and margin farmer target will be 10%. So they have to achieve in this phase manner. And for weaker section, 12%. They have to achieve in this phase manner. Like 2021, for small and margin farmer, it is 8%. And for weaker section, 10%. And 9% for this 21-22, and here 11%. And 22-23. From here, you can be asked one question, that how much they have to achieve in small and margin farmer target for 20 to 23, that is 9.5%. So that this one they have to achieve 9.5% and here 11.5%. So this has to be achieved. And for 23-24, then 10%, okay, and here 12%, and after that it will be completed. So lending to non-corporate farmers should not be less than average of last 3 years. Okay, and the applicable target for lending to non-corporate farmer for financial year 21-22 will be 12.73% of ANBC, whichever is higher. Banks to achieve 13.5% of ANBC to agriculture, which constituted direct agriculture. So these are the some of the point which are important for you. Okay, let's see next. Okay, friends. So this is next related to housing loan. So loans to individual. So under priority sector lending, loans to individual you can provide, that is 35 lakh. So here you have to tell what should be the overall cost of the project for metropolitan centers, population 10 lakh and above, and loan to individual 25 lakh. So 25 lakh loan to individual will come in priority sector, and here you have to tell what will be the overall cost of the project other than metro for purchase of construction of dwelling unit, and loans for repair. So friends, loan जो है repair और damage के लिए भी जो बैंक प्रोवाइड करेगा, दैट विल कम इन प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लैंडिंग फॉर ड्वेलिंग यूनिट ऑफ फैमिलीज अप टू रुपीज डैश। तो आपको बताना है कि मेट्रो सिटीज में कितने तक का लोन प्रोवाइड कर सकती है बैंक, दैट विल कम इन अंडर प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर, एंड अप टू 6 लाख इन अदर सेंटर। जो अदर सेंटर है वहां पे 6 लाख तक का लोन बैंक प्रोवाइड कर सकती है। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज बैंक लोन टू गवर्नमेंट agency for construction of dwelling unit, slum clearance and rehabilitation of small dwellers subject to carpet area not more than dash square meter। तो यहाँ पे आपको बताना कितने स्क्वायर मीटर तक की कैपिंग है for getting that loan under priority sector lending। Okay, and for affordable housing project at least 50% FAR or FSI for dwelling unit with carpet area of not more than 60%, 60 square meter area। So okay, let's see. So you have to tell here 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 points you have to give the answer। Let's see what is the right answer। So correct answer is first, that is 45 lakh। तो फ्रेंड्स जितने भी मेट्रो सिटीज हैं वहां पे जो प्रोजेक्ट की जो कॉस्ट है दैट शुड बी 45 lakh, एंड इन दैट bank can give loan 35 lakh and this will come in priority sector lending। and for other than metro, वहां पे जो प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्ट है फ्रेंड्स वो 30 लाख होनी चाहिए, and in that case bank can give the loan 25 lakh, up to 25 lakh that will come in priority sector lending। और फ्रेंड्स इस पोर्शन से मैनी टाइम्स बहुत बार यहाँ से क्वेश्चन पूछा जा चुका है, so you should remember this point by heart, so that any question will be asked, whether it is asked how much is the quantum of loan or project cost, you will be able to answer। Okay, so loans for रिपेयर ऑफ डैमेज ड्वेलिंग यूनिट, तो यहाँ पे जो रिपेयरिंग के लिए जो लोन है मेट्रो सिटीज में, दैट इज अप टू 10 लाख। जो भी 10 लाख तक का लोन प्रोवाइड करेगी बैंक, दैट विल कम इन प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लैंडिंग। ओके, एंड फॉर अदर सेंटर 6 लाख। और जो कारपेट एरिया है फॉर बैंक लोन टू गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज, जो भी एजेंसीज दे आर मेकिंग dwelling unit for slum clearance and rehabilitations, okay, so their जो carpet area है should not be more than 60 square meter, okay, so this is all related to housing loan. What is the all main important points? Okay, let's see next question. Okay, before next question, one more point is there, that is bank loan to HFC, okay, housing finance company, for on lending up to 20 lakh for individual borrower for purchase, construction or reconstruction of house. So this will also come in priority sector. अगर कोई बैंक है वो ऑन लैंडिंग करने के लिए हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनीज को अगर लोन देती है अप टू 20 लाख फॉर इंडिविजुअल बोरोवर, so this will also come for priority sector lending. Okay, so housing loan to banks own staff member are not eligible for classification under the priority sector, and outstanding deposit with NHB on account of priority sector shortfall. Okay, so let's see next is related to education. So how much amount of education loan that will be given to any individual, that will come for priority sector. Okay, loans to individual for educational purpose including vocational courses not exceeding rupees dash lakh will be considered as eligible for priority sector classification. So let's see what is the right answer. करेक्ट आंसर इज 20 लाख। तो फ्रेंड्स जो भी 20 लाख तक का जो भी लोन होगा जो बैंक प्रोवाइड करेगा एजुकेशन लोन, दैट विल कम इन प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लेंडिंग। लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट इज रिलेटेड टू रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी। तो रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी में देखते हैं फ्रेंड्स, बैंक लोन्स अप टू रुपीज डैश करोड़ टू बोरोवर फॉर पर्पसेस लाइक सोलर बेस्ड पावर जनरेटर, biomass based power generators, windmills, micro hydel plants, and for non-conventional energy based public utilities like street lighting system and remote village electrification. तो यहाँ पे आपको बताना है for these purposes how much loan can be given, which will come in priority sector. And for individual household, the loan limit will be dash per borrower. So let's see what is the right answer of this question. And the correct answer is 30 crore. 30 crore will be for these big projects, and for individuals it is 10 lakh rupees. Okay, so let's see next question. Next is related to others. Okay, loans to following category will cover under weaker section. So small and marginal farmer, distressed person, okay, individual woman. तो friends यहाँ पे आपको बताना है distressed person other than farmer up to rupees dash lakh per borrower to prepay their debt टू नॉन इंस्टीट्यूशनल बोरोवर। जैसे कि फ्रेंड्स आपको पता है जो नॉन इंस्टीट्यूशनल है लाइक लोकल मनी लेंडर्स हैं, किसी ने उनसे क्रेडिट लिया है तो उस क्रेडिट को प्रीपे करने के लिए, ओके, देयर डेट, वो अपने डेट को अगर प्रीपे करना चाहते हैं उस केस में कितने तक का लोन दे सकते हैं। एंड इंडिविजुअल वुमेन बेनिफिशरीज, जो भी वुमेन बेनिफिशरीज हैं उन्हें कितने तक का लोन अंडर प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर bank can give. Let's see what is the right answer. So here you can consider the options, like for both I will give you option. First is up to 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so let's see what will be the right answer. So correct answer is 1 lakh, 1 lakh for both. Okay, so distressed persons जो है उनको फ्रेंड्स 1 लाख का जो भी लोन बैंक प्रोवाइड करेगी दैट विल कम अंडर प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लैंडिंग। और जो भी इंडिविजुअल वुमेन बेनिफिशरीज हैं, for that also up to 1 lakh is eligible for priority sector lending. Let's see next question. This is also related to others. So overdraft up to dash under PMJDY account. So Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. So in that overdraft facilities available. So up to which amount will come in priority sector? Okay. Next is loan not exceeding dash lakh per borrower provided directly by bank to individual and individual member of self-help group JLG provided the individual borrower household annual income in rural area does not exceed. तो फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे आपको बताना है कि जो भी बैंक लोन करती है इंडिविजुअल्स को और मेंबर्स को ऑफ सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप और जेएलजी के, सो हियर यू हैव टू व्हाट शुड बी द एनुअल हाउसहोल्ड इनकम इन रूरल एरिया एंड नॉन रूरल एरिया, एंड लोन नॉट एक्सीडिंग, और लोन कितने से ज्यादा एक्सीड नहीं करना चाहिए। ओके, प्रोवाइडेड डायरेक्टली बाय द बैंक्स। ओके, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज फॉर ओवरड्राफ्ट फैसिलिटी जो प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना अकाउंट्स में फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे 10,000 तक का जो भी लोन होगा दैट विल बी कंसीडर अंडर प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर. ओके, सो अप टू 10,000. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, दिस वन, फॉर लोन नॉट एक्सीडिंग 1 लाख. तो जो 1 लाख तक का लोन है दैट विल बी प्रोवाइडेड बाय बैंक. और उस केस में जो एनुअल इनकम है रूरल एरियाज में, इट शुड नॉट एक्सीड 1 लाख. ओके, इट शुड नॉट एक्सीड 1 लाख. एंड फॉर नॉन रूरल एरियाज दैट इज 1.6 lakh. Okay, and the loan should not exceed 2 lakh. So this is the answer of these points. Okay, let's see next question. So I hope so friends you are getting benefited from this all the questions, and these are very important questions. So friends, you can hit the like button if you're liking the video, and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. So you can also share this video friends, so that more candidates can get the benefit of this video. Let's see next question. Okay, so next is social infrastructure. This is related to social infrastructure. Bank loans up to a limit of rupees dash crore per borrower for building social infrastructure like schools, healthcare facility, drinking water and sanitation in tier 2 to 6. So यहाँ पे आपको बताना है how much loan will be given by banks which will come in social infrastructure, and that is priority sector. Okay, bank loans up to a limit of rupees 10 crore per borrower for building healthcare facility including under Ayushman Bharat. तो फ्रेंड्स जो भी बिल्डिंग हेल्थ केयर के लिए है इन दैट 10 crore इज देयर. बट यहाँ आपको बताना है हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटी, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर और सैनिटेशन में व्हाट इज द limit. Let's see. Right answer. Correct answer is 5 crore per borrower. Okay, so this is 5 crore per borrower. But if bank is giving loan under Ayushman Bharat project, so in that case it will be up to 10 crore. Okay, this you have to remember the difference. Here also healthcare facilities there, but including under Ayushman Bharat. अगर वो आयुष्मान भारत के अंदर आ रही है, then you can give bank can give up to 10 crore which will come in priority sector lending. And here for social infrastructure limit is 5 crore rupees. Okay, let's see next. So next is export credit. So friends, export credit में बैंक कितना दे सकती है? Let's see. Okay, incremental export credit over corresponding date of the preceding year up to -% of ANBC or credit equivalent amount of balance sheet exposure, whichever is higher. यहाँ पे आपको बताना है what should be the incremental export credit. Okay, here. And next is subject to a sanction limit of rupees dash crore per borrower irrespective of turnover. It include both pre-shipment and post-shipment export credit. So friends, आपको बताना है up to which amount the amount will come in priority sector lending in export credit. Let's see what is the right answer. Correct answer is 40 crore. So up to 40 crore loan that bank will give will come in priority sector lending, and incremental growth should be of 2% of A and BC in this. Okay, so let's see next question. Question number is not there. So question related to MSME. Okay, so here you have to tell loans to MSME startup. तो जो भी friends MSME startups हैं, up to what amount loan can be given which will come in priority sector lending. Let's see what is the right answer. Correct answer is 50 crore rupees. So up to 50 crore rupees जो amount है that bank will give for startups, that will come in priority sector lending. Let's see next question. Next question is 18% of ANBC or CEOB, whichever is higher, has to go to agriculture. Okay, this everybody knows. Within the 18% target of agriculture, -% is prescribed for small and marginal farmer. तो आपको बताना है फ्रेंड्स small और marginal farmers के लिए कितने % prescribed हैं. Okay, and here from the year 1516 distinction between district and indirect agriculture is dispensed with. So however, all efforts should be made by banks to reach the level of -% of ANBC for direct lending to agriculture sector. तो फ्रेंड्स आपको बताना है कि कितने % ऑफ ANBC जो है वो डायरेक्ट लैंडिंग टू एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर होना चाहिए. ओके, 2 points are there. First is for small and marginal farmers, and second is for direct lending to agriculture. Let's see the right answer. Correct answer is 10%. 10% is prescribed for small and marginal farmer, and here 13.5. तो जो फ्रेंड्स बैंक्स हैं उनको 13.5% ऑफ एनबीसी जो है that they have to give in direct lending to agriculture sector. Okay, let's see next question. Okay, next is farm credit. So we will see farm credit first. Crop loans to farmer including horticulture. So these all are farm credit. Medium and long term loans for agriculture and allied activities like agriculture implements and machinery, irrigation, etc. Pre post harvest activity like spraying, grading, etc. So friends, sometimes this question also come, which of the following is not a part of farm credit? So these points you should remember. Crop loan to farmer including horticulture, ओके मीडियम एंड लॉन्ग टर्म लोन फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एंड एलाइड एक्टिविटीज. सो ये सारे जो है फ्रेंड्स फार्म क्रेडिट का पार्ट है. ओके, प्री पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट एक्टिविटी लाइक स्प्रेइंग, ग्रेडिंग एक्सेट्रा. ओके, सो अप टू रुपीज डैश लैक्स मैक्सिमम 12 मंथ अगेंस्ट फार्म प्रोड्यूस और वेयर हाउस रिसिप्ट. तो यहाँ पे आपको बताना है अगर कोई भी फार्मर है वो फार्म प्रोड्यूस और वेयर हाउस रिसिप्ट लेकर आता है बैंक में, तो बैंक कितने तक का लोन दे सकती है, विच विल कम इन प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लैंडिंग. ओके, एंड लोन अगेंस्ट एनडब्ल्यूआर, ENWR डैश लाख पर बोरोवर. और एनडब्ल्यूआर और ENWR में कितने तक का लोन जो है बैंक दे सकती है अंडर प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लैंडिंग. एंड दिस 2 पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू टेल. ओके, सो रेस्ट इज फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन दैट डिस्ट्रेस फार्मर को भी जो भी लोन देगी बैंक दैट विल कम इन फार्म क्रेडिट. KCC, SMM, small and marginal farmer for purchase of land for agriculture purpose, and loans to farmer for setting up solar power plant for agriculture. Okay, these all will come in farm credit. So here you have to give answer of two questions. First is how much amount can be given to farmer for farm produce or warehouse receipt, and how much amount can be given against NWR and ENWR, that is negotiable warehouse receipts. Okay, and electronic negotiable. Let's see the right answer. Okay, correct answer is 50 lakh. 50 lakh for normal receipt and 75 lakh for NWR and ENWR. Okay, so let's see next. Next is farm credit to corporates. Okay, loans to corporate farmer, farmer producer organization, companies of individual farmer, partnership firms, and company cooperative of farmers directly engaged in agriculture and allied activities up to an aggregate limit of dash crore पर borrower. तो फ्रेंड्स आपको बताना है कि जो भी कॉर्पोरेट फार्मर्स हैं उन्हें कितना बैंक लोन दे सकती है, which will come in priority sector lending. Okay, so crop loan, medium and long term loans for agriculture and allied activities, loans for pre and post harvest activities like spraying, harvesting, grading, etc., and loans up to dash crore per borrowing entity to FPOs and FPC undertaking farming with assured marketing of their produce at a predetermined price. तो आपको ये बताना है कि जो एंटिटीज है FPC, ओके, जो कंपनीज होती है उनको जो है बैंक कितना लोन दे सकती है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज फॉर per borrower for farmer produce organization and all. Okay, let's see what is the right answer. So correct answer is 2 crore per borrower. यहाँ पे जो फ्रेंड्स है that is 2 crore per borrower, and here it is 5 crore per borrower entity. Okay, so let's see next. Next is ancillary activities. So loans up to rupees dash crore to cooperative societies of farmers for purchase of the produce of member, loans up to dash crore to startups. Okay, so these 2 points you have to tell. Let's see what is the right answer. And correct answer is loans up to 5 crore. So जो भी friends cooperative societies हैं, to them 5 crore up to 5 crore loan will come in priority sector. And for startup, this question we have already discussed. For startup, 50 crore, up to 50 crore loan which will be given to startups that will come in priority sector active lending. Okay, so now this is the question also related to ancillary activities. Okay, loans sanctioned by banks to registered NBFC other than MFIs for on lending up to dash lakh per borrower. तो फ्रेंड्स बैंक जो है वो कितना दे सकती है ऑन लैंडिंग पर्पस के लिए? ओके, to register NBFCs को. Okay, and here priority sector loan up to rupees dash. कितने तक का priority sector loan होगा जिसमें बैंक no service charge to be collected, जिसमें बैंक को सर्विस चार्ज कलेक्ट नहीं करना है? So let's see what is the right answer. Correct answer is, for first one it is 10 lakh. So bank can give up to 10 lakh per borrower loan to register NBFCs for on lending, and for priority sector loan up to 25,000. तो फ्रेंड्स जो भी लोन 25,000 तक का बैंक सैंक्शन करेगी, इन दैट बैंक जो है वो कोई भी सर्विस चार्ज कलेक्ट नहीं कर सकती है. ओके, लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट. Next is related to small and marginal farmer. Okay, so farmer holding land up to 1 hectare. जो भी फ्रेंड्स फार्मर है जिसके पास 1 हेक्टेयर तक की लैंड है उसे हम कहेंगे मार्जिनल फार्मर. और नेक्स्ट इज स्मॉल फार्मर. तो आपको बताना है, सो व्हाट विल बी द land holding of small farmer more than 1 hectare and up to dash hectare. Okay, and next question is loans up to dash lakh to individuals solely engaged in a lead activity without any accompanying land holding criteria. तो जिसके पास जो सिर्फ एलिड एक्टिविटीज में, उसे हम कितना लोन दे सकते हैं? एंड नेक्स्ट इज FPOs and FTFCs with small marginal farmer land holding not less than that percent. Let's see the right answer. Okay, correct answer is for small farmer जो land holding है वो है more than 1 hectare and up to 2 hectares. Okay, and loans जो है 2 लाख तक के दिए जा सकते हैं उन लोगों को जो elite activities में involve हैं. Okay, and FPO और FPs जो हैं with small margin farmer land holding नॉट लेस देन 75%. उनकी जो लैंड होल्डिंग है वो 75% से कम नहीं होनी चाहिए. ओके, लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट इज एग्रीकल्चर प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर अंडर ऑन लैंडिंग. तो फ्रेंड्स ऑन लैंडिंग कई बार जो बैंक है वो अपने एंड पे जो है प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लैंडिंग के टारगेट्स अचीव नहीं कर पाती है, देन दे गिव द लोन टू NBFCs एंड HFCs. ओके, हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनीज. तो यहाँ पे ऑन लैंडिंग के लिए क्या कैपिंग है दैट वी विल सी. फॉर एग्रीकल्चर अप टू डैश लाख पर बोरोवर, MSME अप टू डैश लाख, हाउसिंग अप टू डैश लाख. तो यहाँ पे आपको बताना है what is the capping. Okay, and here bank credit to NBFC including HFCs for on lending to agri, SME, housing, etc. will be allowed up to an overall limit of dash percent of individual banks total priority sector. तो फ्रेंड्स जो इंडिविजुअल बैंक है उसके टोटल प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर का कितना परसेंट जो है बैंक ऑन लैंडिंग में दे सकती है. ओके, अदरवाइज व्हाट विल हैपन, ऑल द बैंक्स विल ओनली गिव द ऑन लैंडिंग loan to NBFCs. So that is also not good. Okay, so let's see what is the correct answer for this question. And this part is very important because from on lending also nowadays questions are asked. Let's see the right answer. Where it has gone. So friends, right answer is for agriculture it is 10 lakh per borrower, and MSME 20 lakh per borrower, and housing loan 20 lakhs per individual borrower. Okay, and what is the overall limit? That is 5%. So any bank, जो भी बैंक है फ्रेंड्स वो अपने प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लैंडिंग के टोटल पार्ट का 5% ही ऑन लैंडिंग के लिए दे सकती है. ओके, लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So priority sector lending certificate. So bank having surplus priority sector is seller and bank having shortfall is buyer. Okay, no transfer of risk or loan. So traded in CBS platform e-Kuber of RBI. तो फ्रेंड जो भी बैंक प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लैंडिंग कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाती है देन दे कैन परचेज प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लैंडिंग सर्टिफिकेट. और जिस बैंक ने अचीव कर लिया है और अचीवमेंट से ज्यादा कर लिया दैट बैंक कैन सेल दैट priority sector lending certificate, and which is shortfall that will be the buyer. Okay, so in that there are 4 kind of priority sector lending certificate. First is PSLC agriculture, small farmer, marginal farmer, micro enterprise, and journal. Okay, so bank is permitted to issue priority sector lending certificate up to 50% of priority sector lending achievement. Okay, and priority sector lending certificate is valid till 31st March and expire on 31st March. Okay, and यहाँ पे आपको फ्रेंड्स बताना है for priority sector lending certificate standard lot size is dash lakh and multiple. So what is the minimum lot size for priority sector lending certificate? वो कितने amount का होना चाहिए? Okay, so let's see what is the correct answer, and the correct answer is 25 lakh. तो minimum जो priority sector lending certificate का जो size है that is 25 lakh and in multiple. Okay, friends. So these are the most expected questions from priority sector lending topic. So I hope so you all are benefited from this. So thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends who are preparing for bank promotion exam and JIB exam, and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.